Hey, this is Tyler Skidmore of Fly Rock Chronicles and West Virginia Fly Guys, and welcome to another segment of Fly Tying Fridays. Today we're going to be tying a Bloody Perdigon, and I'm going to start by using a size 14 dry fly hook with a 2.8 millimeter gold bead on. My thread here is going to be 6/0 and it's red, and I'm just going to start by dressing the hook and then snipping my tag in free, and I'm going to grab really any feather you want, just as long as it has fine barbules, and I'm going to grab about half a dozen or so. I'm going to tie them in right there at the hook bend and wrap forward. And after I get them wrapped down to the hook, I'm going to throw in a whip finish here, and we're going to be done by using a red thread. I'm going to reach for some iridescent thread over here. This case I have olive, and I believe you can get it from Vivas. And I'm just going to start dressing the hook with that. Now, Perdigons are a pretty low profile fly. I'm just going to continually wrap until I get the shape of body that I want. And the red at the butt end of the fly here is going to show through a little bit, and it gives it a pretty cool look once we get our UV lamp on this. Once I get my fly body in the correct shape that I want it, I'm going to throw in 2 or 3 whip finish turns here, and then I'm going to cut my iridescent thread free. Now I'm going to reach for some Solarez thin UV resin and a index card. I'm going to put my resin, just a dab of it on my index card here, and then I'm going to take my bodkin, grab a little bit of it, and just spread it around the fly. Now, since we're using a thin cure of UV resin here, it's gonna want to run, and so using a rotary vise in this case is going to be a lot easier than a fixed vise, because we can continue to rotate it, and that way it doesn't bunch up on one side of the fly body. And we're just going to keep adding a little bit at a time. We want to try to keep our low profile. And now we're going to shoot it with our lamp here. I'm always going to try to keep my fly rotating. Now I've got a little bit here. I want to build up the head a little bit more. So I'm just going to add some right there behind the bead and fill in that spot. And I'm going to try to keep my vise rotating. And that'll keep it from running. And just like that, our fly is finished. For more flies like these, you can go to www.westvirginiaflyguys.com for more, and thanks for watching.